Oh.
So we obviously clean before anybody moves in or anything like that, but this has the full flooring. So it's really nice. I'll just turn the lights on for you.
Okay, I see the flooring is different for this.
This one is the new flooring that we've been putting in. So any future, the darker flooring that you saw in the previous apartment, that one is our older flooring. This is our newer flooring.
Okay. This one is ready to move for someone, right?
This one we would have cleaned before. This one somebody just moved out of. And we
So you even haven't cleaned this. So
No.
this is the condition people move out.
Yes.
Because I know,
And then so
much
we
worse.
have it cleaned, we paint, we punch it, we make sure everything's working, all the light bulbs are done. Then we have it cleaned and then we move it.
Okay, I see this. So I see the second bathroom is with the shower.
Yes.
Do you have one bedrooms with only showers? Or?
Yes, we do. We have one coming available. I know it's not for October, but we do have one bedrooms that have showers.
It's not critical to me. I'm just interesting because sometimes I know that such a big buildings usually have 3 or 4 floor plans.
We have a ton of floor plans.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you can unlock it. You can go out there if you would like. I believe there's a little button right there.
Okay.